Question 1 of this exercise says find the area of a sector of a circle with radius 6 cm if the angle of the sector is 60 degree. So to find the area of a sector, there is a formula, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So theta is basically the angle of the sector, which is 60 degrees given in the question. So it will be 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi, and the radius is 6 centimeter. So it will be 6 square. So on solving this, we will get 1 by 6 multiplied by 22 by 7 and multiplied by 6 into 6. So on solving this, we will get the area of the sector as 132 divided by 7 square centimeter. So that will be the area of the sector. Question 2 of this exercise says find the area of a quadrant of a circle whose circumference is 22 centimeter. So the circumference of a circle is given, that is 22 centimeter, and we know the formula to find the circumference, that is 2 pi r, and that equals to 22. From here we will get the value of the radius. So it will be 2 into 22 by 7 multiplied by the radius equals to 22. From here we will get the value of radius, that equals to 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 22 into 2. On cross multiplication we will get 22 multiplied by 7 divided by 2 into 22. And we know that 22 divided by 22 is basically 1. So we have got the radius as 7 divided by 2 centimeter. Now we know how to find the area of quadrant of a circle. So it is basically 1/4 of area of circle, or we can say that 1/4 of pi r square. So from here we will get 1/4 multiplied by 22 by 7, and we have the radius, that is 7 by 2 multiplied by 7 by 2. So on solving this, we will get the area of a quadrant of circle as 77 divided by 8 square centimeter. Question 3 of this exercise says the length of the minute hand of a clock is 14 centimeter. Find the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes. So as we know that the minute hand takes one complete revolution in 60 minutes. So 60 minutes equals to 360 degree. So from here we will find the value for 1 minute. So 1 minute will equal to 360 degree divided by 60, which is same as 6 degree. So in 1 minute, the minute hand will move 6 degrees. Now let's find the angle the minute hand will move in 5 minutes. So in 5 minutes, it will be 6 into 5, which is same as 30 degrees. So the length of the minute hand of a clock is given, that is 14 centimeters. So this is basically the radius of the circle. So in 5 minutes, it will sweep this much of area, the one in the red. So we have to find the area of the one in the red, which is basically the area of the sector. So we know the formula to find the area of the sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. We know the value of theta, that is 30 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi, and the radius is given, that is 14 square. So on solving this, we will get as 1 over 12 multiplied by 22 divided by 7 multiplied by 14 and 14. And on further solving this, we will get the final area of the sector as 154 divided by 3 square centimeter. So the area swept by the minute hand in 5 minutes is 154 divided by 3 square centimeter. Question 4 of this exercise says a chord of a circle of radius 10 centimeter subtends a right angle at the center. Find the area of the corresponding minor segment major sector. use pi equal 3.14. So let's find the area of the major sector first of all, that is OACB. And if this angle is 90 degree, which means that angle is basically 360 minus 90, which is same as 270 degrees. And we know the formula to find the area of a sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. And we know the value of theta, the angle of major sector, that is 270 degrees divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is given, that is 3.14, and radius is 10 centimeter. And on solving this, we will get the area of the major sector OACB, that equals to 235.5 square centimeter. Now in the next part we have to find the area of the minor segment. So to find the area of the minor segment, we can find the area of the minor sector, and after finding the area of the minor sector, we can subtract the area of triangle from it. So we'll get the area of the minor segment, that is in yellow. So let's find the area of the minor sector, that is OADB. So we know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 multiplied by pi r square. And we know that minor sector subtends 90 degree. So it will be 90 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is 3.14 and radius is 10 square. And on solving this, we will get 1/4 multiplied by 3.14 and multiplied by 10 and 10. And on further solving this, we will get the final area of the minor sector OADB as 78.5 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle OAB. So we know the formula to find the area of triangle, that is half into base into height. So half, the base is basically OA and height is OB. So it is half into, we know the value of OA, that is 10. We also know the value of OB, that is also 10. And on solving this, we will get the area of triangle as 50 square centimeter. So we have the area of minor sector, that is 78.5 square centimeter. We have the area of triangle, that is 50 square centimeter. So we can find the area of minor segment. So it will be 78.5 minus 50, which is same as 28.5 square centimeter. So that is the area of the minor segment ADBA. Question 5 of this exercise says, in a circle of radius 21 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc, the area of the sector formed by the arc, the area of the segment formed by the corresponding chord. So in the first part, we have to find the length of the arc ABC, and we know the formula, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by 2 pi r, and we know the angle, that is 60 degree. So it is basically 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 2 into 22 divided by 7, and the radius is 21 centimeter. So on solving this, we will get the length of the arc ABC as 22 centimeter. Now in the second part, we have to find the area of the sector OABC, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. We know the value of theta, that is 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by 22 by 7, and the radius is given, that is 21 multiplied by 21. And on solving this, we will get the area of sector OABC as 231 square centimeter. Now in the third part, we have to find the area of the segment. So for that, what we will do, as we have already the area of the sector OABC, we'll find the area of triangle OAC, and then we will subtract them. We will get the area of the segment ABCA. So let's do that. So let's find the area of the triangle OAC. So as this angle is given 60 degree and we know that OA is equals to OC, they are the radius. So which means if these two sides are equal, which means their opposite angles will be also equal. So if these two angles are also equal, let's take it as x. So if this is x, this will also be x. So x plus 60 equals to 180 degree, the sum of all the interior angles of a triangle. From here we'll get the value of 2x, that is 120 degree, and from here we'll get the value of x, that is 60 degrees. So we have got angle A as 60, angle C as 60 and angle O as 60. So which means all the angles are 60, which means this is an equilateral triangle. So let's find the area of equilateral triangle, triangle OAC, and we know the formula, that is root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by a square, where a is the side of the equilateral triangle. So on solving this, we will get root 3 divided by 4 multiplied by 21 into 21. So on solving this, we will get the area of triangle OAC as 441 root 3 divided by 4 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of segment ABCA. So we need to subtract the area of triangle from the area of sector OABC. So it will be 231 minus 441 root 3 divided by 4. So that is the area of the segment ABCA. Question 6 of this exercise says the chord of a circle of radius 15 cm subtends an angle of 60 degree at the center. Find the areas of the corresponding minor and major segments of the circle. So let's find the area of the minor segment, that is ABCA. So to find that, what we can do, we can find the area of the minor sector OABC, and after that we can find the area of the triangle OAC, and when we subtract them we will get the value of the area of the segment. So we know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So the value of theta is given, that is 60 degree. So it will be 60 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by the value of pi is given, that is 3.14, and radius is 15 square. So on solving this, we'll get the area of sector OABC equals to 117.75 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle OAC. To find the area of triangle OAC, what can we do? As it is given in the question that OA is the radius and OC is also the radius. So which means if both the sides are equal, which means angle A equals to angle C, and they both equals to 60 degree, because this is 60 degree, which means the sum of these two angle is basically 120 degrees, and as they both are equal, so which means angle A and angle C are 60 degree, which means this is basically an equilateral triangle. So let's find the area of triangle OAC. So we know the formula to find the area of an equilateral triangle, that is root 3 by 4 into a square, and a is the side of the equilateral triangle. So we have the value of root 3, that is 1.73 divided by 4 multiplied by 15 into 15. And on solving this, we'll get the area of triangle OAC as 97.3125 square centimeter. Now we can easily find the area of the minor segment ABCA, which is basically the difference between these two. So it is 117.75 minus 97.3125, and on solving this we'll get the area of minor segment as 20.4375 square centimeter. Now area of major segment ADCA basically equals to area of circle minus area of minor segment ABCA. So we know how to find the area of circle, that is pi into r square, which is 15 square minus 20.4375, and we know the value of pi, that is 3.14 multiplied by 15, and 15 minus 20.4375, and on solving this we'll get the area of major segment as 686.0625 square centimeter. So that is the area of the major segment ADCA. Question 7 of this exercise says a chord of a circle of radius 12 cm subtends an angle of 120 degree at the center. Find the area of the corresponding segment of the circle. So basically we have to find the area of the segment that is in yellow. So to find that, what we will do, we will find the area of the sector OABC, and we will find the area of triangle OAC, and then we will subtract them. So let's do that. So to find the area of triangle OAC, we need the height OE and we need the base AC. So we'll draw a perpendicular OE from the center and it will bisect AC. So which means AE will equal to AC. Now in triangle AOE, we know that cos 60 degree equals to OE upon OA, and we know the value of cos 60, that is 1 by 2, and that equals to OE divided by, we know the value of OA, that is 12. So from here we'll get the value of OE, that is 6 centimeter. Also we know that sin 60 equals to AE upon OA. If we use sin 60 in the same triangle, that is AOE, so we know the value of sin 60, that is root 3 by 2, and that equals to AE divided by OA. We know the value of OA, that is 12. From here we'll get the value of AE. So from here we'll get the value of AE, that is 6 root 3 centimeter. And to find the value of AC, it is just double of that. So which means 2 into 6 into root 3, which is same as 12 root 3 centimeter. Now let's find the area of triangle AOC, that is half into base, which is AC, into height, which is OE. So that is half multiplied by 12 root 3 multiplied by 6. So from here we'll get the area of triangle AOC, that is 62.28 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of sector OABC. We know the formula to find the area of sector, that is theta divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi r square. So we know the angle, that is 120, that is given in the question. So it will be 120 degree divided by 360 degree multiplied by pi, which is same as 3.14, and r square, which is same as 12 square. So on solving this, we'll get the area of sector as 150.72 square centimeter. Now let's find the area of segment ABCA, that equals to 150.72 minus 62.28, and on solving this we'll get the area of segment as 88.44 square centimeter.